Hello and welcome back. I just wanted to go over a quick find / score that I had at a train show this weekend, the Greenberg Train and Toy Show in Wilmington, Massachusetts. So, in my layout, I've always wanted to do like a big engine facility with a transfer table, and this is the old, like pre-DCC transfer table made by Walthers. And I actually have two of this kit, and I plan on using Arduino to like motorize it. And the tray itself, I don't know, it's not very big, so I wanted it to be bigger. So I ended up buying a second one of these on eBay, and I've had them kicking around for, I don't know, a year or so. Don't have a layout to build it on yet. So anyways, this weekend I found the extension pit, and it was only $40. So I was like, screw it, I'll buy it. Well, when I opened it, there's actually two kits in here. There's two extension panels with two end panels. There's no rail, which is fine because it suggests like soldering the code 70 rail between the original and the extension, and I think it would just be better to get brand new 36-inch code 70 rail and have consistent rail between them. So now I actually have two of these and two of these. Don't know if I should go extreme and build two transfer tables, or if I should just put one of the extensions in the other kit and sell it with, as a package, or just leave it as a spare. I don't know. But anyways, it was a pleasant surprise when I opened this box, and I was like, yay, that's fun. So at some point I need to decide how I want to build my layout, but that was sort of like my pleasant surprise from this weekend, and I am looking forward to eventually building this kit and figuring out how to motorize it with Arduino. It won't be DCC, but it'll still be a cool electronics project. Anywho, that's all I got. Thanks, guys.